Hi, today we're talking about a 2023 Range Rover Sport, but today's tip is how to boost your vehicle if it's dead. First, you should contact roadside assistance or CA or AAA, depending on where you live in North America. But let me show you where the connections are. So let's open the hood right over here, like so. Hood has been propped open. Just under the E and the R of Range Rover. There's a little latch, like there, open like so, and here we are. Here's your jump points. This over here is your negative on the passenger side, and here is your positive terminal right there. Hook up your positive and negative. Make sure the booster pack says connected. Mine, how I just have to say connected before it works. Jump in the vehicle, hit the start button, vroom, the vehicle will start up. And that's how to hook up a booster pack on a new body style Range Rover Sport. Thank you for watching. Mark Palmieri from Buds Imported Cars, also known as Mark Your Car Guy.